guys, this is Malinki. Welcome back to my channel, Voice of Malinki. Today we will talk about mechanism of contraction of muscle. And if you are new in my channel, please subscribe my channel. And if you like my video, please do like, comment and share my video. So the mechanism of muscle contraction could be best illustrated by sliding filament theory. According to this theory, contraction of muscle takes place by the sliding of the thin filaments over thick filaments. So thin filaments are made up of actins and thick filaments are made up of myosin. So we will see the steps of muscle contraction. Okay. So signal comes from neurons. Several neurotransmitters, especially acetylcholine, are released from neurons. Acetylcholine acts on adjacent muscle cell. Eventually, the action potential of muscle cell membrane gets generated. Now, muscle cell membrane is also called sarcolemma. After the generation of action potential, calcium ions get released from endoplasmic reticulum of the cell into cytoplasm. Endoplasmic reticulum of the muscle cell has a special name, sarcoplasmic reticulum, and cytoplasm of muscle cell also has a special name, sarcoplasm. Now, after the release of calcium ions, myosin binds to actin to form a cross bridge and utilizes energy from ATP hydrolysis. I hope you could remember these actins form thin filaments and myosin forms thick filaments. So just like this picture, actin myosin cross bridge is formed, and this actin myosin arrangement remain parallelly in the cell just like this. Now, myosin pulls the attached actin filaments towards the center of A band. Now, what is A band? Okay, so this is A band, full length myosin filament, this red one. This is the full length myosin filament. This full length myosin filament and portions of actin filaments, this portion and this portion. The portion of actin filaments that overlap with myosin filament together form A band. That means this part is A band. The full length myosin, this red one, and half green one, that is actin. So the actin filament from both the sides, which are overlapping the myosin filament, constitute A band. And this portion of actin filament that do not overlap with myosin filament is called I band. This is I band. So what happens after that? The Z line attached to the actin filaments, the Z lines attached to the actin filaments are pulled inwards, and it causes muscle shortening, which leads to contraction of muscle. Okay. So here is the theory part. This is A band, this is I band. I have explained these two now, and here is the contraction of muscle. Please note, during contraction, the I bands get reduced, right? This I band is getting reduced, this much only. Now we have this much only I band after contraction. Before we had this much only I band. Okay. So I bands get reduced, but A bands retain their length. Just like this. And myosin releases ADP and phosphate. So this cross bridge that was formed is now broken and the Z lines return to their original position, which results in relaxation. So just the opposite happens during the relaxation process. So this is all about today's lecture. I hope you liked the lecture. Thank you for watching my video.